This is our new log handler. The new Volvo L200H high lift is 13% more productive compared to previous model and are designed to lower the operating cost.
The L200H high lift's new loading unit features a reinforced lift arm system, cross-beam and rotator unit. The stronger rotator unit is maintenance-free and increases stability thanks to the integrated dampening system. It lifts 11.2 tons, which means 27% increased lifting capacity.
Volvo's new reinforced grapples are optimized in both size and shape for easy filling. Our biggest one, 4.3 square meters, are increasing the productivity with 13%.
To efficiently handle the improved load capacity, it's equipped with a wider, long-life, low-profile 875 type tyres as standard. Volvo is also offering a new collision mitigation system. Though the operator always needs to pay full attention while reversing, this active brake system can help to prevent or reduce impact of a collision. The new optional front view camera not only provides visibility in front of the machine, but on top of the stack, displayed on this dedicated monitor.
Another new feature is the possibility to adjust the hydraulic setting to your own preferences with your smartphone or a tablet via Bluetooth to the machine.
The L200H high lift will be possible to equip with Volvo Co-Pilot and all load assist applications, such as operator coaching and onboard weighing, that provides real-time insights into the grapples and the load receiver's payload to help eliminate overloading, underloading, re-weighing and waiting times. The typical weighing accuracy is plus minus 200 kilos per grapple, depending on how the machine is used. It can also notify if the load exceeds a set limit, helping to maintain machine stability and the job site safety. Part of the load assist family is the tire pressure monitoring system. It checks the pressure and temperature of air and hydro-inflated tires to optimize tire life and time spent on machine inspections.
Machine downtime and maintenance costs are reduced further thanks to extended service interval on major components.
Other improvements are a more straightforward access to the engine compartments thanks to added side handrails and the redesigned covers and the quick oil drain and filling connectors.
There you have it, the new ultimate partner for the logging application, built to handle more cubic meters with a lower total cost of ownership. The new stronger L200H high lift from Volvo.